President. Kung maglalabas po kayo ng baho, Mr. President, dapat naman siguro maligo ka muna. Si Dracula, inappoint mo bilang tagapagbantay ng blood bank ng bayan. Wow, Mr. President. Kailan sa kasaysayan ng bayan natin nangyari ang ganitong pagkakataon na isang big-time contractor ang hahawak sa kaban ng bayan? Only in the Philippines, Mr. President.
Madam Chair, napakasimple po ng sinatanong. Alam po natin yun. A reply is supposed to be submitted to the commission proper.
Yes po.
Pero sa ngayon, hindi siya magre-reply kasi sasagutin niya muna kayo. And until today, hindi pa niya sinasagot because they are still within the reglementary period of 6 months
That is correct po.
to make an
That is
answer
correct.
to you.
That is correct po.
That is the nature of things. Can you advise us, including me, whether we are supposed to ask questions considering that you have not yet received her explanation to your office? Tama ba kung
Final.
magtanong na ng magtanong ngayon habang ikaw ay hindi mo pa nare-receive kung ano yung sagot niya? Do you think I am correct in asking questions habang ikaw ay naghihintay pa lang ng isasagot niya sa iyong opisina?